Is your favorite YouTuber invisible to AI search? Not quite, but almost. This is Mr. Beast's store where he sells his apparel, and he talks a lot about optimization on his YouTube channel. He optimizes his thumbnails, and there's lots of work to optimize his YouTube channel for clicks. So this is his apparel store. Now, I just asked ChatGPT a simple question: what are the best official merchandise collections for popular YouTubers with exclusive apparel? Now, in the top YouTube and creator apparel picks, Mr. Beast isn't there. So I wondered, okay, he's a bit further down the list here, but as one of the biggest or the biggest YouTuber in the world, I wondered why does he not show here? So I had a look at EZY.ai, EZY.ai, and here you've got a dashboard of how certain parts or metrics of his website actually show up. So he does not have an LLMs.txt file. This is a really simple file. You put in your root directory. Easy can create one for you, or you can create one. And this is structured data, really simple information about the website, placed perfectly for large language models to find your website. So he should have one of these. His robots file, Easy gives it a score of 40%. Now, it looks quite neat and tidy if you scroll down, but he doesn't actually allow, if you see at the bottom, it's all disallows. He doesn't allow any AI agents. So Easy can actually create a robots file for you, and it will allow Google AI overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and even AI agents like Amazon's Alexa. If somebody's asking their home Alexa machine for maybe some apparel, maybe Amazon would serve up Mr. Beast. So if we have a look, his sitemap's good, which is great. He doesn't have a facts file. Let's just have a quick look at his schema. Now, schema is JavaScript that's injected onto your website. Here is his schema. It's very basic. It's just a collection of facts. Here is easy generated or SEO or AEO generated schema. As you can see, there's a type website, there's a search action, there's a web page. So what this is doing is structuring data so that large language models like ChatGPT know the name of Mr. Beast organization, know that this is a web page within his organization, and it really just helps LLM optimization. Let's have a quick look at meta descriptions. Easy can generate these for you. And here you can see in the meta descriptions, Easy's generated actual search terms that are going to be more beneficial to have in his meta descriptions. I was very surprised to see that he doesn't have any blogs whatsoever. So Easy can automatically generate you blogs. You can just go in here, and this is an automatic blog generator. It doesn't use AI slop. It actually looks for trending keywords that you don't show up for and creates content for you. Here's a really good one, Reddit presence. What do people say about you on Reddit? So here you go, Mr. Beast, r/legal advice UK, Mr. Beast. Debt and money high, so I bought a hoodie from Mr. Beast, blah, blah, blah. Negative. It would be really good for him and his team to know that there's negative comments about him, sorry, not about him, about his apparel store, and positive comments, and he can look through these and maybe reply to some of these people, which can be really helpful. Actually, Easy can even suggest maybe a post that you could put. It won't do this automatically, but Easy can suggest a post in subreddits where this is allowed, and he doesn't have any frequently asked questions, which would be a big help on his website. You can look at his competitors and see what they're doing and how they show up for prompts. But really, the key is here. These are prompts that Easy generates. So Easy generated that exact prompt that I typed into ChatGPT, which is what are the best official merchandise collections for popular YouTubers? And as you can see, Mr. Beast doesn't show up here. But it's very useful to see who does show up and which websites and other places where maybe he might want to position his website on. So these prompts are really helpful for AI and AEO. If we scroll down, he's got an easy AI visibility score of 26%. And over time, you would hope that this will increase. But really, his entire site is built in JavaScript. So it's actually very hard for LLMs to render all of the information on this website, which is a downside of a lot of the latest website creator tools. So there's some really easy and I would say low-hanging fruit changes he could make to get a lot more visibility on Gemini, Perplexity, and ChatGPT.